Good morning, everyone. My name is Adrian Gabriel Monroy, and I'm here to present a product or an idea to pitch to the company. But first, let me address the problems I want to be solved. Pressure ulcers, or bed sores, is a type of skin injury that's caused by prolonged pressure on certain body parts that's cutting the blood flow. And these injuries are usually affecting the elderly, bedridden people, and generally people with mobility issues. These people with mobility issues are having pressure ulcers due to the prolonged pressure due to their lack of movement. And what are the current solutions for this problem? First, manual repositioning. This requires a caregiver to constantly monitor and reposition the patient. The other is the alternating air mattress, where it has a inflating and deflating technology of redistributing pressure from certain body areas across the entire body. Now, the limitations for this, of course, is number one, manual repositioning. It requires an actual person to constantly monitor and reposition the patient. And it places a lot of responsibility to that person. Next is the alternating air mattress. While the redistribution of pressure is good and well, it operates on a time-based cycle, which doesn't actually monitor the pressure that's occurring on these certain body areas. And I have a solution for that. Enter Pressure Sense. Pressure Sense is a sensor-based mattress overlay that constantly monitors the hotspots or these certain body areas that's at risk of pressure ulcers and has a response system. Let me show you how it works first. So let's say the patient is lying on the bed. The mattress overlay has a system of sensors that will constantly monitor the pressure values in these hotspots or the areas that are at risk of pressure ulcers. And a threshold value will be calculated from the patient's weight and patient information. And once these pressure values that's being sensed by the sensors exceeds those threshold values, the automatic repositioning system will commence. This repositioning is basically the pressure redistribution from the alternating air mattress but placed as a response system. So once let's say the elbow is having a higher pressure value, the mattress overlay will redistribute that pressure through an inflating and deflating system across the entire body. Now let's discuss who would benefit from this. Of course, we're talking about the healthcare industry, so rehabilitation centers, nursing homes, healthcare providers. But mainly, of course, the patients. Of course, like the elderly, bedridden people, these people, of course, are main consumers. But not every one of them is using the hospital setting. Most of them actually is using a home setting where they suffer quietly and have caregivers. And that's why we are going for the affordability side, or the affordable price range, which allows these consumers to reasonably pay for a product without having to go to the hospital. Next, let me discuss the components of the system. First, the mobile application. As I mentioned, the caregiver is actually a very pivotal role in the patient. So the system doesn't replace them, it only assists them. So the mobile application allows that caregiver to constantly monitor the data that's being sensed by the sensors and also allows them to input any patient information they need. Next is the control box, the main hardware component of the product. It's all of the brain power and the control system is placed in this control box. Next is the actual mattress overlay, which is the bed which is equipped with air tubes that's inspired by the alternating air mattress and has valves that constantly deflate and inflate. And in conclusion, the pressure sense is an innovative way to assist and enhance the current technology of pressure ulcer prevention. It doesn't exactly replace all these systems, it merely enhances it and provides a more affordable and innovative way to deal with them. And that'll be the end of my presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Oh, you have none? Thank you.